Want to say hi? Yeah?
Would you like me to
You want to show him Bert?
for you?
Show him Bert. Can you look at Bert?
T-E-M.
Yeah, it's Bert. Can you say hi, Grandpa?
Hi, Papa.
Can you say hi, Grandma?
T-O-N.
Can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, Mama.
Can you show
Yeah.
your frog to the camera, baby? Show your frog to the camera. Get that frog and say, look at the camera. Your dad can take a picture.
Show me the frog. That's Daddy's tea.
Okay, so for these, it's in capital.
Yeah.
I need tea.
Yeah, it's my tea.
This is tea.
Can you say, yeah, it's hot. Can you say, I love you? Say, I love you. No?
After you're done, yeah.
Well, I love you.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Thank you, Yellow.
Okay, say bye-bye.
You mean the writing is
Bye-bye.
Papa.